Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Accord door handle. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool to protect your car's interior. A small socket wrench set will also be crucial for various bolts. Having a clean cloth nearby is always a good idea to keep everything tidy and prevent scratches. Let's get started. Next, we'll tackle the door panel. Begin by gently prying off the small plastic cover behind the interior door handle. Then, remove any visible screws in the armrest and door pull area. With those out, use your trim removal tool to carefully release the clips holding the panel to the door frame. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors before fully removing the panel. Now that the door panel is off, you'll need to access the handle mechanism. Carefully peel back the plastic moisture barrier, being mindful not to tear it. Locate the bolts that secure the door handle assembly from the inside. You'll also need to disconnect the rod or cable that links the handle to the latch mechanism. Double-check that all wiring harnesses are unclipped for full access. For the final step, unscrew any remaining bolts that secure the outer door handle. Once all fasteners are removed, gently slide the handle out from the exterior of the door. Take a moment to inspect the area for any overlooked clips or wires. Remember to keep all your removed parts organized. This will make reinstallation much smoother. You've successfully removed your Honda Accord door handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.